Enable the daylight experience in your learning environment to explore its defining features, including new font, color scheme, icons, and a responsive layout. This tutorial shows significant visual changes that occur with the implementation of the daylight experience. The My Courses widget has an improved ability to search for courses. Relevant courses automatically display in the widget for most users. Hover over a course image and click the context menu. To view course offering information, change the course image or unpin the course from the widget. Click Change Image to view other image options for your course. Hover over the image you'd like to assign and click Use this image. You can now apply navbar logos at all org unit levels using the active navbar and theme. This allows you to showcase different logos at the org, department, course, and custom org unit levels. You can also configure the org unit name to appear in addition to the logo, except on the org navbar, which always hides the name, and the course navbar, which always shows the name. There is a color strip across the top of the screen in the navbar. This color is set by the top color strip setting in Edit Theme. From the bottom of the home page, you can access the Actions menu and click Display Homepage Banner to set a banner that is visible to the entire org or a specific org unit, such as a department. As with course images, you can select an image from an existing library or open a custom image. There are significant visual changes at the platform level that extend across the product to all features and tools, including a new font with consistent line heights, margins, and other styling. The Daylight Navbar provides a single link area to ensure a straightforward navigation model. Links that appear in the Daylight Navbar come from the current active navbar. New icons are used sparingly and consistently in areas such as the minibar and other navigation panes. The Daylight experience features a responsive layout that scales appropriately for smaller screens, such as tablets and mobile devices. In some cases, certain menus may not be fully functioning in the mobile menu. Turn on the Daylight visual design by enabling the D2L System Brightspace Daylight Experience configuration variable. Enable the daylight experience in your learning environment to explore its defining features, including new font, color scheme, icons, and a responsive layout.